Hey guys, is it hard to teach your parrot new tricks? Wave. One of the things people often say about my videos is that they like seeing what training is like for you and me when we're not super tricky. You know, when you're not super good at it, it just takes a lot of time, a lot of patience, and a lot of repetition. Wave, and a lot of it not working. Or tricks. I'm Kaylin, the author of The Parrot Bliss Bond. Thank you for joining me in this very quick video where I am trying to teach Kailani, my Catalina macaw, to wave. Sometimes teaching them takes forever and it's not easy. Sometimes it's a piece of cake. Wave. I'm cheating. I'm doing anything to get her to raise her foot. She's got her weight off of it. Wave. Good job! And just being repetitive and being so patient is what's ultimately going to do the trick. Wave. 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 Kailani. Good job! Wave. Wave. Kailani. Good job. It takes time. Sometimes it takes a lot of repetition, but it's worth building a nice bond and having that common language, giving you and your parrot something to do, something wonderful and engaging. Catch you next time.